relationship, and another one is ML in drug discovery. So how you can use the ML algorithms and design your own ML models for the drug development. That are the two upcoming seminars that we are going to conduct. Apart from that, we have also started off with like an in-silico project, which basically focuses on the student from like you can join in for like 6 to 10 months program, and where we will be actually working on, like, we will be collaboratively working on a particular project. So you can give us some idea if you have some idea, or if you want to just work with us, we can provide you some ideas. And obviously the ultimate aim of this particular program is to have a good amount of have a good publication ultimately, where we will be able to target a good amount of questions in the scientific manner, and we can be performing several other computational stuffs, not just confined to molecular dynamic simulation, but also in terms of developing a mathematical model for a particular biological systems, or performing other kind of computational studies altogether. So you guys can actually, I think Arshad will share you the poster of this particular program. If you guys are interested to join in with us for like a 6-month or a 10-month programs, you can join us. And we offer, like, the areas that we actually offer is in drug discovery, cheminformatics, biosensors, computational nanotechnology, and mathematical modelings for biological systems. And obviously, if you have a very, if you are keen on undertaking a particular project of your idea, if you have any idea, you can definitely pitch us that idea, where you will be taking hold of that project, and we will be helping you out with the resources. So ultimately, when we will be, writing up the whole manuscript, you will be the first author of that particular project, because it will be your idea, your work. We will be helping you out with the resources that we could provide from our end, and obviously, asking some questions, editing the whole manuscripts, and then obviously, if the reviewers, if it goes into the review process and the reviewers ask us any questions, we will be the one who will be tackling up that questions. We will be telling you how to write about those things, how to respond back to the reviewers and editors, and obviously looking up with the manuscript editing and all the dissertation processes as well. So if you guys are interested to join in us for a 6-month dissertation or a 10-month dissertation, you can do that as well, because from there we actually provide you with all the details about the manuscript writing, the dissertation writing, how to you do a thesis defense, and ultimately with the manuscript submission in a peer-reviewed journal. So I think if you go to our website, where you can there find that recently 2 of our papers has been accepted, and one of them has been with one of our students, and where they have worked quite hard on the project, and ultimately they've got that publication with that one, and that too in a Scopus indexed journal with a proper peer-reviewed process. So if you guys are really interested with that one, you can obviously explore the website. You can search through the different fields that we provide basically. And if you have any idea, you can pitch us. You can mail us through the company website, and we'll get back in touch with you. Yeah, Arshad. So do you want to add anything extra, Arshad? Yeah. So the only thing is, you guys can explore through the website. You can find all the different details about all the other things that we are basically providing. And obviously, if you find the upcoming courses really beneficial for you, you can join those. Or otherwise, if you are really interested to do other kind of seminars, so you can give us the idea as well. So if you want that we should organize seminars on a particular topic, you can suggest us, and then we would definitely help you out with that one as well. Right? So, and if you find anyone who is interested in learning about these stuff, you can definitely help us out by recommending them to join the classes and all the other stuff. So we will be very thankful to you. And again, thank you all of you for joining this session, and I'm hopeful that it was ultimately it was beneficial for you guys to in terms of understanding what GROMACS is, and then we can join in on several other projects together. Yeah, Arshad, so if you want to add anything extra.
सर
Yeah.
अब ये जो डाटा वगैरह एनालिसिस करते हैं सर, जो डाटा हमारा आएगा उसका पिक्चर वगैरह बनाते हैं सर, वो आपको नहीं करवाओगे सर?
That is actually involved, but that is not involved with just the GROMACS, right? So that is a totally different thing, where we will be using the data to plot it using XMGrace and
Yes, sir.
visualization for VMD or PyMol and all the things. So because that is a time-taking process, so that's why we haven't covered that in the GROMACS one. Because for GROMACS, our major concern was just with the process and the
ये
stuff.
जो एमडी है सर, ये जैसे जो मोलिकुलर डॉकिंग के जो प्रोडक्ट होते हैं सर, उसके साथ कैसे करेंगे सर हम? क्योंकि उसमें थोड़ा प्रोसेस अलग होता है सर.
Right, with the ligand thing as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that particular stuff for the ligand and the dog structure, is we have kept it separately because for this particular session we were only focusing on the GROMAX for the protein one. But definitely, if you want, we can organize that one as well. We will be actually talking about how to process
नहीं
it
सर,
with the
इसमें
ligand as
लिखा
well.
हुआ था ना सर, आपने जो सर ने मेरे पास भेजा था सर, उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि मॉलिक्यूलर डॉकिंग जो मतलब प्रोटीन और लाइगैंड की डॉकिंग एमडी सिमुलेशन करना था। बेसिकली मैं तो सर प्रोटीन और जो लाइगैंड की सिमुलेशन है वही सीखनी थी सर।
हाँ, प्रोटीन लाइगेंड का ही सिमुलेशन बेसिकली हम लोग कराएंगे. सो लाइक राइट नाउ वी हैव 1 hour लेफ्ट आल्सो. लाइक इट वाज 7 hour session, right?
ओके
So ultimately we have covered till 6 hour session only, right? So we have 1 hour session more left. In
ओके
that
सर
session we will be covering up with the molecular docking between like ligand and protein docking का कैसे हम लोग वो करते हैं. That we
ओके
will be
सर
covering up.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर। और सर ये मुझे बीच में क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया सर, ये जो मल्टीपल एनर्जी मिनिमाइजेशन है सर, ये हम क्यों करते हैं सर?
Multiple energy minimization is basically for like if let's say if you have performed an energy minimization for the very first time and you found out that the system is not energy minimized properly, then you
ओके
need to go for energy minimization
ओके,
again because
उसका कैसे पता चलता है कि वो प्रॉपर मिनिमाइज हुई है या नहीं हुई है?
you have to ultimately plot up the graph now. So
ओके सर।
once you have done the energy minimization, you'll plot the energy minimized curve,
यस सर।
right? And then you will see what is the curve, the minimum value that the curve is reaching up. Let's say if you have performed an energy minimization for 1,000 steps and
यस
it is
सर।
going up to let's say -8, and
यस
you
सर।
are not sure whether this is the minimum value that the system can go for, then
ओके
you can
सर।
perform the same step for 2,000 steps and
ओके
then
सर।
see whether the curve is getting down below -8 or not. If the
ओके।
curve is going below -8, then you are sure that the system can go further down. Then
ओके
you can
सर।
perform the steps for 3,000 steps as well,
ओके
right? But
सर।
if you see that even at 2,000 steps the system is only going to till -8, then you are for sure that even after you increase the steps to 2,000, the minimum energy the system has reached, that is -8,
ओके सर,
right?
थैंक यू सर।
Yeah, Arshad. Yeah.
Goodbye.